Want FedEx to deliver your packages securely to your Loxx box? Here are a few steps to set up your delivery instructions. Step 1. Log in to FedEx. Go to FedEx.com. In the upper right-hand corner, sign into your account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Step 2. Access your delivery settings. Click on your profile icon and select My Profile. On the left-hand menu, scroll down to find FedEx Delivery Manager and click on it. Step 3. Add delivery instructions. Scroll down to your saved delivery addresses and select View and Edit. In the Delivery Instructions section, enter how you'd like FedEx to access your Loxx box. Option 1. Use a permanent access code. Set a dedicated code that FedEx can use for all deliveries. Option 2. Use the last 4 digits of the tracking number. This is recommended for secure, one-time access, and this method generates a new code for each delivery, keeping your box secure. Step 4. Save your instructions. Once you've entered your preferred method, click Save. You'll get a confirmation that your instructions are now active. And that's it. Your FedEx deliveries will now be securely placed in your Loxx box every time. Enjoy hassle-free, secure package deliveries with Loxx Boxx.